Hey guys, my name is Joe Silva, owner at Q Belly's Barbecue in Southern California and a B&B Pitmaster. All right guys, today we're talking wood chunks. These are larger pieces of hardwood, come in a variety of flavors, and these are kiln dried. B&B makes hickory, mesquite, cherry, apple, post oak, and pecan. You can use about 2 to 3 wood chunks per cook. They last a couple of hours and they give nice clean smoke to your barbecue. When working with wood chunks, it's very simple. All you got to do with these wood chunks is toss these onto your charcoal grill. We're talking kettle grills, ceramic grills, offsets, drums. The more chunks you throw in, the more smoke you're going to get. So it just depends on your preference, but all you got to do is throw the wood chunks on the charcoal and it'll light up and give you a couple hours of smoke. Some of my favorite ways of using wood chunks is you can mix and match flavors. For example, pork, I like to mix hickory and cherry. You can also use wood chunks straight as your heat source. You don't need to have any charcoal, you don't have to add any other wood. You can literally just light up your wood chunks and barbecue steaks or pork chops or wings or whatever. One pro tip I want to give you guys when working with wood chunks is when you throw the wood chunks on top of the charcoal, give it about 10 minutes or so. You do not want to cook with dirty smoke. When you see almost no smoke at all, that's called a clean smoke and you're ready to cook.